Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these monster truck Valentine mailboxes. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and search monster truck images. Click on the photo that you like and make sure to save that image to your computer. Once you do that, you're going to go back to Cricut Design Space. Click on Upload. Then upload image, browse, and then go to the photo that you had selected. Alright, I'm going to click on moderately complex and go ahead and edit this photo. What I'm going to do is go ahead and erase everything except for one monster truck. That way I have a monster truck saved for future projects. Please be sure to check the box down below. I will have a list of all the supplies that you will need for this project. Alright, so make sure you really clean up your image and get every little detail out that you do not want to show up. If you don't, it will end up showing up later on. Alright, so make sure you save your image as a cut image so you have it ready for your project. Alright, so what I'm doing next is selecting the image that I had just cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead and size it to the size that I need for my project. I'm going to go to Shapes, select a heart, and then size that accordingly. Next, I'm going back to Shapes, going to Square, make sure to hit the unlock button. And I'm going to go ahead and slice off the bottom of the heart. That way I don't have to layer my vinyl. Alright, I'm taking the heart shape again. Once again, unlocking, sizing. And I'm going to put these into the wheels. Once you get the size that you like, go ahead and duplicate that so you have another heart for your other wheel. Just to let you know, this clip is fast forward a little bit just for time purposes. I really don't work this fast. Alright, once you're happy with the image that you created, go ahead and click that Make It button and you're all set. Alright, just make sure that your machine is set up accordingly. We are working with vinyl, so you want to make sure your machine is set to vinyl. And then you're going to go ahead and start cutting out your images. Alright, so the next step is to go ahead and weed out your vinyl. Alright, now you're going to go ahead and grab some Cricut transfer tape. Lay it over your monster truck, and then what we're going to do is be layering all the pieces onto this transfer tape. That way it just makes it easier to transfer the entire image all at once onto our mailbox. Alright, so once you have all your vinyl placed onto your transfer tape, you're going to go ahead and place that onto your mailbox. Make sure to rub it in really well and carefully lift up the transfer tape at about a 45-degree angle. Alright, so that completes this project. If you like these type of videos, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.